You have a friend stopping by for coffee and dessert. But why visit your local bakery for something sweet when we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Pecan Pie Brownies? So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients.
Yes!
Time for the dry ingredients. Set your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's make the pecan pie topping. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. The first known brownie was created in the United States around the end of the 19th century. There are several tales about exactly where in the United States the first known brownie recipe appeared. One thing is for sure, they are made with chocolate and are baked to perfection. Those look great right out of the oven. Chill brownies for 2 hours. Cut into squares before serving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these pecan pie brownies are rich, fudgy, with an incredible pecan pie topping. Provides the right amount of texture and crunch. They are absolutely delicious. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Brownies and coffee makes great conversation. Stay with us. Watch the next video.